Mark and welcome to the video. I'll show you exactly how to drink a glass of water. In this complete tutorial video, you will learn what on earth water is. You will also learn how to drink water. There is nothing more that you will learn from this video. So if, for example, you are looking to learn all about pear cider, for example, then you will need to click off this video and find another video on YouTube, or perhaps another media platform. Other media platforms include Dailymotion and possibly Yahoo if that is still knocking around. From there, you will need to access your keyboard. It does not matter what type of keyboard you have. It could be an Apple keyboard, or a Logitech keyboard, perhaps even a Microsoft Universal Foldable Bluetooth keyboard, or a Yamaha keyboard. It just really doesn't matter. Once located, type on your keyboard, "Show me all about the pear cider," and then you just press the enter key. And then just click on the most appropriate pear cider video. If you click on the wrong video, or you've been clickbaited and it ends up being a video that is not to your satisfaction, do not panic whatsoever. Simply click off that video and then go to a new video until you come across the pear cider information that you were originally looking for. And that brings us very nicely to the part where I explain to you what water is. Well, water's like a substance, and it doesn't look very impressive or anything, but you can swim in it. That is the complete definition of water explained to you. Now that we fully understand what water is, we can now begin drinking it. This is the water that I'll be using for the demonstration. As you can see, it is safely contained within this self-containing water container. So there's actually quite a few ways that you can drink the water. The first way would be to consume it up your behind. You would just kind of stick it up there and consume it that way. An alternative method would be to snort the water up your nose. But I think I'm actually going to go with the most common method, which is to force the water into your mouth and then to kind of jam it down your throat. So that's what I'm going to be doing for you guys. But please bear in mind that I'm actually no expert on this subject, but I think I'll just give it a good go anyway, just to kind of demonstrate how it's done. So let's just begin. I'm just going to unlid this container. So it's a scary process, this. Let's try and get the lid off. There we go. Minimal hardship that was, minimal hardship. Let's just toss the lid away. Just like that. And there we go. This is how you want to consume the water. And here we can see the water in its full glory. So we're now ready to begin drinking it. So let's just see how this goes. Let's just try and drink some of the water, just using the mouth. It is already a huge struggle just to get it in the mouth, but then even bigger struggle really to kind of force it down the throat. But we'll persevere. We can do this. We can get through this. It's going everywhere. It's disgusting. This really is not easy. I know I'm making it look easy because that's just what I do. I just make things look really easy, but you may have a little more difficulty yourself when trying. Don't give up. Just really keep practicing and stuff, because then you'll be able to consume the water and it'll be a piece of cake after a while. Okay, so just don't give up. Just keep going for it. Okay, so let's try and drink some more of the water. That time it went down the throat, and that was a good one. I thought that was quite a good drink of the water. Okay. You just really have to keep going. You just have to keep drinking the water until there's like nothing left. So let's try and do that now. Oh, that's lovely. There we go. It's all consumed. It's all drank. You can see it's an empty container. That's what you want, really, kind of an empty container. Like that. And the very good thing about drinking all the water will mean that you're no longer thirsty anymore. And that's really what you kind of want. You just don't want to be thirsty, because then you'll have to drink more water. And it's a hassle having to do that. And that completes the demonstration of drinking the water. So hopefully it will help you to get the water consumed down your esophagus. If you have a problem that you need help digesting, and feel that I would be the best person to break it down and help consume the issue for you, then please let me know. Perhaps it is how to do puns. That's just an idea, of course, but food for thought. Until next time, I will see you later. So, cheers. Why do I... Oh, that's powerful. That is powerful water in there. Wow. Felt that. I don't know why anyone would drink this stuff normally. It just kind of tastes like alcohol, minus the alcohol flavour, or the fact that it doesn't actually contain any alcohol content. But still though, the similarities are uncanny. Anyway, people say that food contains a lot of water, so I think I'm just going to stick with that, to be honest. Can't really go wrong. So there should be a load of water in here. Can't see any. Well, there's none dripping out, but you know, if the people say, the people say. So let's get my water content from this. Oh, it's very good water. It's very good. Best water I've had all day. And if it contains water, it must be healthy. I'll see you later.